Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting to your guys' assumptions of me. I asked you guys a couple weeks ago and then again today if you had any assumptions of me. I got a few, and so I'm going to be reacting to them today, responding to them, whatnot. I have my iPad right here, so that's where I'm going to be reading them off of. Yeah, there are just about 7. They're not what I expected really at all, so I'm just excited to get into this. Okay, so the first one is genius YouTuber who is self-driven and creative. Oh my gosh, I appreciate that so much because I really have to be self-driven, you know? I do have family members who push me, but it really is all on me. Especially because I'm self-employed now. Being a hairstylist, I work on my own. I make my own schedule. Being a YouTuber is totally about being self-driven because you have to push yourself to sit down and make videos. There are some days where you really do have to just drive yourself. You have to tell yourself, hey, you have time today, put some makeup on, sit down and make a video. I have tons of ideas. And I do appreciate the creative part because I do try to be creative and come up with new things, and it's harder than you think, but yeah, it's interesting. Alright, so another assumption is you have a super big heart and are overprotective of your siblings. So I do think I have a big heart, you know. Can't really speak for myself. Yeah, having a big heart, I can't say that for myself, you know, that would have to be someone saying that to me. But that's a great assumption. Thank you for assuming that I have a super big heart. I appreciate that. And are overprotective of your siblings. I would say yes, especially to my younger siblings. Yeah, especially for my younger siblings because I definitely know what they're going through sometimes, you know, with high school. One's in 8th grade and 2 are in high school. If they need advice from me at all, I can definitely provide that because a lot of what they're going through, I went through, and so I understand their struggles, you know. So, and if anyone messes with them at all, I would definitely stand up to them, whoever's messing with them. As for my older siblings, I have 2 older sisters, so I have 5 sisters total. But yeah, as for my older sisters, I would say I definitely have concern for them sometimes, but I wouldn't say I'm overprotective because I know they are older and they know what they're doing, and I can't really speak for them because they're going through different things, you know? So it's a little bit different for that, and I'm sure my older sisters are overprotective of me. So it's just like a younger sister thing. Younger siblings, that's when you're overprotective. Another assumption is you don't like McDonald's, but you love Taco Bell. I actually haven't had McDonald's since 2017, I want to say. I tried to give up fast food as much as possible in 2018. I do have those cravings for McDonald's fries because their fries are so good, and it's been so hard not to go to McDonald's and get fries and a McFlurry because that is such a good combo, especially late at night. There are fries, there are McFlurries, their chicken nuggets are bomb. But anytime that I went and got fast food in 2018, which was like hardly ever, but I would usually go to Taco Bell. I wouldn't say I love either, I would say I like both. Another assumption is you're shy. I'm definitely an introvert, which a lot of people probably don't even get the vibe from me, especially on YouTube. When I was growing up, I was definitely shy. I was that quiet girl in high school. Yeah, growing up, I never wanted to speak in front of the whole class. I never wanted to talk about myself ever. Even at like family functions, people would ask about me, even if it was like in front of a group of people. Even if it was my family, I'm like not comfortable talking about myself in front of everybody. I just don't like it still to this day. And I definitely figured out that as I started doing hair and interacting with clients, I am better with one-on-one conversations and not group conversations. But that's just, I don't know, that's just me. I've just been the quiet, shy girl, the introvert, and I still get made fun of for it by my family. They're like, you need to get out and talk more, you need to socialize. And I'm just like, I don't want to, you know? I'm a listener. That's just me. But if I'm comfortable with you and we're one-on-one, I can keep talking and just not shut up. What's funny is another assumption is you are not a shy person. Yeah, pretty much going off of what I just said, I am an introvert, I'm shy, quiet, but definitely when I'm comfortable around you and it's one-on-one, I can talk like forever and not shut up. So another assumption is you're beautiful, let's get to know each other, with a question mark. Thank you, I appreciate that. Sure, why not? And the last assumption is you're very sweet and you put others before yourself. Thank you. I would definitely say I'm sweet, but I would definitely say I try to put others before myself. And I think that's just a nice thing to do, you know? It's just really nice, you know? It's common courtesy. But yeah, that is all for the assumptions. I really like all the assumptions that I got. I got to learn a little bit about myself and I got to open up to you guys a little bit more, so it was really cool. But I'm glad you guys sent in some assumptions so I could do this video, because without the assumptions there'd be no video, you know? And so with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you'd like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!